shit gonna fit? Damn. Ooh, you close. What the hell is this? Well, hold on, let me see. Alright, you got some space over here. Look how wide. Oh! You there now, hold on. Dude, you on the edge on both sides. You barely touching both sides. If you're gonna do it, come slow now. Well, then go back. Slow. Ooh. Too close. This lift ain't cut out for these. Talk about wide. It's a nice ass Jeep, but it's not cut out for normal lifts. Y'all see that? That is a beauty, ain't it? Yeah, so what we're gonna do is take it to the lineman rack. Look at the suspension all white. Hey, turn this way for a second. Wow, look at that. They painted it all white. Cute. What did you just do to make that noise? What did you squeak?
Is that the brakes or is that the fact that the axle shaft is sliding? Oh.
Come on, man. That's not good.
Because the wheel bearing.
We get a closer look at this Jeep Wrangler. It was traded in, guys, so somebody didn't want it no more. Now get a load of this. They got the front. It's like they ran out of. He's doing a used car inspection on it. So you see all of this is white, right? Let's go to the rear. Some way, somehow, they ran out of paint. So they didn't get around and get into the. Did this one do that squeak too? Ah, come on, man. They traded in. I wonder what they get. It's still neat, man. You think they got another Wrangler? This is a nice Wrangler. Ah, check out the little. Ain't those ain't these brass knuckle thingies? Or just something to hold on in the event. In the event the ride is getting wild. So they ain't want it no more. They traded in. How many miles? 188. Pentastar? V6? Oh, it's Pentastar. That's not even the original wheel. Who knows what kind of wheel that is? Well, anyway, guys, y'all want it? Come get it, man. You can take the hardtop off. I'm just letting y'all know. Yes, it's available. Damn Jimmy, old Jimmy boy. My good old critique buddy Jimmy seemed to think we gouged up the wheels. No, Jimmy. He just, matter of fact, it was that lift right there. He just touched the. Yeah, it's not a customer car anymore. They traded it in. They ain't want it no more. This might put it over the hump as far as trying to get it sold. Yeah, everybody want a Jeep with a winch on it. Look at that. So, and he say, he just went on a test drive also. He say this thing got hella things. So they traded it in for a reason. Hella problems. Now it's up to the used car manager to decide whether they want to invest in it or not. Okay. Can you get in it from back here? It's not a customer car, so it's okay for us to. Hey, they might want these rims look. No, they don't look better. Okay. What y'all think? Oh, it's 4 of them. You going back in with these wheels? Huh? Yeah. No, I'm saying, are you going back on with these? Oh. Alright, guys. Let them finish this used car inspection. Amazing how you turn that wheel and make that squeaking noise. Alright, I thought this was going to be a hashtag short video, but it's not. I already made a short video on it. I'm just letting y'all know. Pretty soon, about 3 days, it's going to be on the used car lot. So anybody interested, maybe we ought to finish painting the rear end. Look, did they cut the pipe? Oh my goodness. They ran out of white paint, ran out of money for white paint. So they just did the front. Yeah. Oh my God, Mom, we out of white paint. But look at the pretty lights though. It's not a customer car, so it's fun. Entertaining the former customer. Maybe the former customer will see. Alright guys, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.